Let's introduce the Dagara Beach, a pristine virgin beach just located 51 kilometers from Digha and 220 kilometers from Kolkata. If you really want to enjoy total peace and tranquility with a sea and surrounded by forest, Dagara is a right choice. The beach is still not has been crowded by the mad crowd of the city, and you can enjoy total peace and comfort. And there are some numerous budget hotels and homestays just around the sea beach where you can stay, or you can also choose a nature camp which is just few meters from the beach. So let's enjoy the Dagara beach.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. We are again on a short weekend trip. In fact, we are quite bogged down due to heavy work pressure, so it was quite difficult for us to find a proper destination to go, but finally we have found one and we are on a 2-day trip. So let's enjoy the trip, and it's already there is a weather prediction of heavy monsoon, so let's see what happens. So let's enjoy the trip. अभी हम लोग मुंबई हाईवे में है और शायद और 3 घंटा 10 मिनट लगेंगे जिस दिशा पे हम लोग जा रहे हैं. आज हमारा डेस्टिनेशन है दागरा बीच, ओडिशा. ये कोलकाता से लगभग 240 किलोमीटर के आसपास है. वहीं पर हम जा रहे हैं. अभी तक हम धूलागढ़ टोल प्लाज़ा क्रॉस कर चुके हैं और आज ट्रैफिक काफ़ी ज़्यादा थे अप टू धूलागढ़, लेकिन अभी रोड्स क्लियर हो गया. जहाँ भी देखो आज थोड़ा क्लाउडी है, नज़ारा इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. फिर भी वो आसमान की तरफ अगर देखोगे तो ये याद आ रहा है जो दुर्गा पूजा और ज़्यादा देरी में नहीं है. We try to cover the distance as quick as possible. दुर्गा पूजा का सिंबल ये काश फूल होता है और आप देख सकते हैं जो सारी जगह में कितना फैला हुआ है. इसका व्यू ही कुछ अलग है मन में और एक दूसरा आनंद भी आ रहा है. As we know, this flowers signifies that the autumn festival is nearing in our Bengal. And you see the entire field is full of these flowers. We have stopped somewhere after Belda. It's a Belda road, it's called. It's on NH60, and this is my first stop over here. In fact, we are around 50 kilometers to reach our destination. If you are going to Dagara, there are 3 options to reach that particular place. One is you can go via Digha, If you go via Digha, it will take 1 hour more time and you save money on your toll. And if you go via Poschimbadi road, that is the option you will find if you select Google Maps. But Poschimbadi road is in very poor condition and I was discouraged by the local people as I asked my hotel owner. So I will go via Kamarda. This Kamarda is also on Chandaneshwar Digha road that connects Jaleshwar town actually. So we will go via Kamarda. काफ़ी थक गए, अभी चाय के लिए रुके हैं, थोड़ा चाय और स्नैक्स करना है ये जगह पे। इधर भी एक रेस्टोरेंट है, ये बंद है अभी। ये एक छोटा सा रोड साइड स्टॉल है जो चाय, ब्रेड, टोस्ट ये सब मिलता है यहाँ पर। दिस इज़ द लक्ष्मणा टोल प्लाजा and once you reach this toll plaza you have to be careful, take a left turn for Jaleshwar Chandaneshwar road. So this is the last toll plaza you need to cross. This is the cutting where you need to take that particular route. Here you will find a Bichitrapur nature camp. এটাই দীঘা চলে গেছে জানো তো। How smooth the road condition is, you can easily see. This is a state highway in Odisha, but still the road is so nicely maintained. That is one reason why I love to visit Odisha. In fact, I have been visiting Odisha from my childhood days, and a lot of person tell me जे Odisha क्या आपकी दूसरी घर है? I don't mind telling that. Google took us through this particular shortcut. Till now the roads are okay, it's not wide. Google shortcut से हम लोग जा रहे हैं। ये एकदम विलेज का अंदर से जो रास्ता है, शायद ये रास्ता वो प्रधानमंत्री सड़क योजना का रास्ता है, तो जो कंक्रीट वाला विलेज रोड्स होता है। अभी तक तो रास्ता ठीक है, लेकिन डर तो लग रहा है कि बीच बीच में जो अगर कहा वो खड़ा कर दे, मैंने 100% गूगल को फॉलो करना तो थोड़ा इडियोटिक है। हम एक दो गांव वालों को पूछ लिया, बोला हाँ आप ये रास्ता से अब बलियापल आपको मिल जाएगा, आपको जल्दी हो जाएगा। तो चलिए देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है। दिस इज द Subarnarekha river. As you can see now it is full of water. It is absolutely monsoon and you can see how beautiful it's looking. हाँ, यही सुवर्णरेखा नदी है, उसके ऊपर ये ब्रिज, और गूगल में आपको नदी बांधा बोल के दिखाएगा। ये एक सुंदर सा नज़ारा है। अभी रास्ता भी बहुत अच्छा कर दिया। पहले जो आया था मैंने 5 साल पहले, तो ब्रिज तो था ज़रूर, लेकिन रास्ता इतना अच्छा नहीं था। Finally, we have reached this Paradise complex. This is near Dagara Beach, and this is the address, as you can see. So we have reached the place. We'll check into the hotel and then move towards the beach. So let's get inside, and this is basically a homestay type of accommodation. I have pre-booked it. This is how the room is. It is a 3-bedded one, so easily 3 persons can sleep comfortably, and the room is quite large. There is air conditioner, you have a LED TV, and the amenities is basic, but it's quite clean and decent. This is the toilet. The toilet is also good, which is very important.
Sofa.
There is a small sofa over here.